Good evening, everyone, and sorry for this delay. Today, we got the paper slightly late because I think most of the students were in post-examination mode. That's why we got it late. I hope my audio is clear and the screen is visible. All of you, just if you can just give a comment, I'll be able to understand that yes, you are seeing the screen as well as the audio is very clear. Okay. Now we'll discuss the MCQs. First, we'll start with FM MCQs. Myself and Sriram, we have discussed together and we have compiled the solution of what we think is the correct answer. Now, few things here. The case scenario, if you look at, it is slightly vague. It is slightly vague when you read at it. What they want, what they don't want is not very clear. But we made certain assumptions and accordingly we solved the question. So coming to the first one, what will be the total manufacturing cost and the total cost of sales on cash cost basis? Now here we have assumed that they want total manufacturing cost as well as total cost of sales on cash cost basis. That when we computed using the numbers that are available. So I'll just show you a quick working here. Not that we'll upload this subsequently fully. So when we computed, manufacturing cost comes to 207, so that is 20,70,000. If you add admin and selling, you get 2340. So the answer for the first one is option number A. You can see here option number A, which is 2070 and 2340. That is what we have got on cash cost basis, right? Then second one, what will be the total estimated finished goods inventory and total debtors on cash cost basis? Now here, manufacturing cost, we have considered whatever we have got here 2070. Based on that, you have derived 1 month of inventory, we get 172. Okay, so that is the inventory. And when it comes to debtors, we have considered manufacturing cost plus admin cost and selling cost, because that is also our cash cost. And based on that, the valuation comes to 331,500. Other than this, we didn't find a combination which will match both the options, because 170 to 500, pretty sure that is the correct number. We are 100% sure of that. Then if we add the admin cost and the sales cost, we get 331,500. That is the second one. Then coming to the third one, what will be the estimated current assets? Here we have considered the raw material, the finished goods. Then we have considered the debtor and also cash in hand and also the advance that we have paid, that quarterly advance that we pay. So considering all of that, we get 710,250. So if you just want to quickly have a look at it, 7120250, the breakup of this is, and see, even with an Excel, we took a lot of time to solve it. Okay, even with an Excel, we got a lot of time to solve it. We did some trial error and all of that. Without Excel in examination scenario, I'm 100% sure it would have been really a difficult task for all of you. Then, moving to the next one. What will be the total estimated current liability? This was a straightforward one, 225,500 for for your raw material and wages and overheads. That is rightly given. And yes, one thing what they had said is overhead outstanding for 1 month they are given. So we have to multiply that by 12 to get to the total number. Then what will be the estimated working capital? This is 533,775 considering 10% contingency. Okay. Question number 6, straightforward 1.33. Question number 7, again a very straightforward. It would have taken a lot of time. We get the answer as 1851. That is option number B, 18541 and 369.12. Okay. Then 8th one. Some of you would have made a mistake of selecting 12.32, but here please understand, they are planning to pay dividend of 2 per share next year. It is not this year. That is, next year dividend is already given. So accordingly, if you do 2 divided by 50 plus 8%, you get the cost of equity. If you solve it, you get 12%. If you add 8% growth, you will get 12.32%. Okay, so that could be one area where there could have been a mistake on your part. If any one of you feel the answers are different, if you have a different working, feel free to put down in the comment, and we'll upload the detailed solution of this, by tomorrow morning, or not even tomorrow morning, maybe by in an hour or so. We'll upload it in our in the pinned comment section. You can download it from that place with the detailed working, especially for the first question. Then coming to strategic management. Strategic management was more straightforward. There was nothing very complicated. The first one, it is a vision statement. All of you would have done that. Second one, analysis of strategic groups and cost structure of the competitors is competitor analysis. Then Entering into manufacturing of robots can be described as. Now here please understand, there is a statement in the case where they have said that it is not related. So if it is not related, we'll assume, we can assume it's a diversification, which is a conglomerate diversification, because they have specifically used the word not related. Then 12th one, it's augmented marketing. If you want, you can check my notes also. Online repair services and all, that is a specific point as an example in augmented marketing. Okay. Then 13th one, key player CEO. That's a straightforward, easy question here. 14th one, here, if the customers are not accepting EVs and all, it is not that strategic management is time consuming, or it is a costly process, or it is difficult to estimate the competitive response. So the only option that remains is option number E. 15th one, it is a special alert control. Again, unexpected mergers and acquisitions and all, I have specifically given in the notes as special alert control as an example. And coming to the last one, it is an SBU. It's a standard thing. Do let me know your scores in the comment section. And now that your exams have been completed, it's time to relax for a couple of days, and then we will plan for what is the next step, whether to prepare for articleship, how to prepare for remaining group, are we going to pass, not pass. Give yourself time, 2-3 days time, maybe till the time IPL is over. Enjoy, relax, and then we will get back. Okay, thanks a lot for joining in. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you disagree with any of the answers,